My name's Bynum. I'm the service manager here at the Tahoka location for South Plains Influence. I've been doing this job for nearly my whole adult life. I've been at the Tahoka location here for roughly 4 years. I work here with my son. He's on the line technician. It's pretty cool that we can work together every day. We know how each other's progressing, and a lot of dads dream to see their children following their footsteps. This is a good example. We work well together, and I want him to learn all the things that I've learned in my adult life to make him successful in his career.
My name's Chris Bynum, and I've been with South Plains for 3.5 years. It's good to work with my dad because I have a good bonding experience with him and learning everything he knows. And in the future, my son, I'd like to have him learn what I've learned and follow my footsteps in the future.